Hey, what's up, fellas? I'm going to start a new series of videos showing you the tools I got from Temu. So this is going to be your Temu tool of the day. This is a 3/8 impact socket set, metric and standard. Look at the beauty of it. It's only 26 bucks. And I really like it. Look at this beauty. It's a 49 pieces. The brand is Sikitman, whatever that is. They come from China, but the quality is good. So it's well, look at that, it's well identified, all of them. So it comes with a bunch of stuff like your impact for your drill, your extensions, your adapter is a reducer. So if you want to use your impact, your 1/2 inch impact, your swivel socket. So look at that, beautiful, well identified. My main sockets are used to be from Craftsman, but it's hard to see them. And this one, look at that. So I even like this over Craftsman or Harbor Freight. So anyway, look at that. It comes in all the way from A to 22, and the long socket, and then the short socket is also from A to 22. And also in the standard is a little less quantity, but it's pretty much your standard sizes, your 3/4, your 1/2 inch, 3/8. So, and you barely use standard anymore. So it's a great socket set. We're gonna put it to the test right now. We're gonna use it with an impact. Did pretty good with the small 14s and the extension and the adapter. Did pretty good. So this is great. I'm not gonna really be using it for impact because that's why I have the 1/2 inch one. But this is for your hands, mainly for manual force. This is gonna be great. A great tool. So there you go. Cheap price, good quality, good visibility. Both sides, it's stamped and also is printed. So great quality, great price. All right, you guys know what to do.